Hello and welcome to SmartWork Labs. This is the second episode of the video series Daily Plans and Targets for UPSC Civil Services Exam. If you have landed on this video directly, I would recommend you go and watch the first video of this series, the link to which should be shown up here right now, or the link for the same will also be available on in the description of this video. You must be wondering about the beautiful scenery that is behind me right now. Behind me, you see Weinberg Allen, one of the most popular schools situated here in Mussoorie. Yes, I'm live from Mussoorie. This is your final destination after you clear this exam. This is where all of you are aspiring to come sometime next year, hopefully. And this is the place where the most coveted training academy for administration is situated. Now, I hope the daily targets that were given to you for the past 3 days, that is 5th, 6th and 7th of March, were comfortable enough that you were able to finish them in time. The targets were set in such a way that if you study thoroughly for 3.5 hours a particular subject, you will be able to comfortably finish those targets. If for some reason you are not able to finish those targets, then probably check the way you are reading things, probably you are making too many notes. Do not go into the mode of making your own magazine. We do not want to write too many things if you are following the monthly magazine of any institute. I would recommend that you write the bare minimum that is required, the bare minimum that you think you will be able to remember and replicate in the exam. There is no point of making too many notes if you are not able to use them. There is no point of making too many notes on topics which are not useful for the exam. There will be certain topics which might seem interesting, which might seem important in the first place, but you would, if you think about it, you would realize that there won't be any question on that particular topic. So at best, you will be able to use that particular topic as an example, as a step, as a one-liner. So keep all that in mind while making notes. This will substantially reduce your time that you spend on finishing a particular topic. In history also, there's a tendency of making too many notes. I am going to demonstrate in the next video how can you take a very crisp and precise notes as far as history is concerned, so that it is easy to revise as well as it is easy to finish a particular topic in a very timely fashion. Right? Unfortunately, today it is not possible. I would require a board for that. So tomorrow maybe or day after, I'm going to make a video on that as well. Now, coming to the targets of next 3 days. Over the next 2-3 minutes, there will be slides with the daily targets of the next 3 days, that is 8th, 9th and 10th of March. The targets will be given for all the 3 categories that we defined in the previous video, that is beginner, pro and specialist. Also, please make note that day 6 of our daily plan that is going on will focus primarily on revision of everything that you have done in the first 5 days. There won't be any new topic that has to be read on day 6. Just focus on revising everything that you have done in the first 5 days. And in the next video, you will have the targets for day 7, 8 and 9. So please go through the following slides and make a note of the targets. And if you have any problem, please feel free to give me a call or drop me a mail or message on the following on the details that are provided on the screen right now. In the past 2 days, I've got over 100 messages of people asking me to give a detailed plan of how to go about the optional subject as well, as far as pro category aspirants are concerned. For that, it will be a big challenge to come up with individual optional strategy. But what I can do is I'll try to come up with a generalized plan of how to go about your optional over the next 1 month as far as the pro category is concerned. Thank you very much. I hope the videos are helping you. This is a short video. Next video is going to be a little lengthier, in which we are going to talk about how to take notes of history as well. All right. Thank you again. Best of luck, and I'll see you again.